Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be doing the not so glamorous bathroom sink. It's not draining, every homeowner's nightmare. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. We've got a drain that we can't get a snake down in, and you can see all the funky little gunk down below. You got to man up or woman up and go in after it. So we're basically going to have to pull the drain assembly. We've got this little notch here for a flathead screwdriver in the drain. I'm just going to try to spin this off. Alright, got that guy loose. Pry out our ring here. And it's so gross. Can't really take you guys in here with me, but I wanted to show you what we have. We've got an 1.5 inch ABS coming out of the wall with the trap. Goes up into this fitting underneath the sink, possibly an IKEA cabinet. Pull this out from underneath. It's pretty gross. I don't want to show you what I'm about to do to this drain. Right, now your drain may come out a little different. This may spin off and be threaded inside, but this one has a gasket, a rubber gasket for underneath, and this O-ring stops the leak at the connection. Rubber washer fits in. Into the fitting. Hold the assembly from underneath. Make sure your gasket's intact. Bolt. Just give it a snug. Check for leaks underneath. Working awesome. So that's it. Super easy. We just rocked that unstop. Some of these are going to spin off. Mine came out at the bottom like you saw. But you might have the typical trap assembly. You would just want to take the drain apart, not as hard as you would think. You can knock it out yourself. Now we did knock out the clog, but we lost a little bit of our dignity. So for Home Mender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.